YouTube, Texas Argona here. Got a new fun rifle that has been out for a little bit, but was very anxious to get this one in the mail. I don't know exactly what's in this box. Hopefully ammo and some stuff. We're gonna open this first because I'm sure in the description you'll already know what the rifle is, so we'll open that second together. Let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. I didn't know they were going to do that. Appreciate it. Justin from Airgun Depot. That'll work. Right size. Thank you. See what you got. Dang, really nice shirt. Alright, thank you, man. Ah, group therapy shirt. I have these on my website. Pellets. Sorry, not a picture, but let's see what. Show y'all real fast what we're working with. Yes. Focus on here. Let's see if it will. Yes, they're the 30s. We got us a 30. Oh man, that's a lot. Got some rings. 1-inch rings. FX No Limit adjustable. 30mm scopes, a couple more shirts, and a Hawk scope to go. Now this is the Crown Hawk scope kit, I guess you would say. So I'm going to put links in the descriptions into exactly the kit that it is, pretty much. I'm just doing this on the fly. It's late. I worked all day. Got this gun maybe 15-20 minutes ago from UPS. Just dropped it off. So let's open it up. I'm super excited. Like I said, this gun has been out for probably over a year or something like that. Not the synthetic version. I think it came out mid this year or something. Who knows? I'm not really super knowledgeable on when these things come out or keep track. And they weren't lying. This is a really nice case. Solid. If everyone was wondering. Yeah, it's a solid case. The moment I've been waiting on. This is just a work of art. The FX is amazing. Get some close-ups. I'm sure y'all have seen these before. I'm just excited. This is the 30 cal. I want to do some hog hunting with it. And I always wondered if the shroud was telescopic on this one. And it is. That is a nice form fit. Nice and solid. No, they outdid themselves. The barrel on the Streamline is a little you know, not as rugged as this one. This is a solid feeling gun. It's very, very light. Like, y'all totally outdid yourself. Let's put it on low. Buttery smooth. Shoot it in the house. And they had it on safety from the factory. Yes, and it's true FX fashion. The trigger is just unbelievable. Has so many adjustments. I'm just doing an overview. I mean, there's reviews on this rifle that tell you every little detail about the power adjusters and the regulator adjuster and the adjuster. So I'm not going to go through all that in this. You know, everybody knows about these rifles. What I am going to do on my channel is do some hunting with this. Hopefully get some hogs and whatever pests, animals, squirrels, you know, rabbits. So we're going to take this in the field, see what we can get done with it. And we're going to, of course, I'm going to compare it. Being a 30 caliber, it shoots around 80 foot-pounds of energy. The 22 long rifles, I believe the ammo we're shooting, CCI standards, 40 grains, right at 1070. So I think they're 110 foot-pounds of energy. So it's pretty, I mean it's pretty close. So we're gonna test this rifle being $15.99 brand new versus a kid 1022 super grade model that I believe is about the same price, but it's not suppressed. For the cheapest suppressor to get one is another $400 or $500 on top of that. So you're looking well over $2,000 to get a suppressed 22. It's match grade and worthy of being close to this. Because what I've seen online, the groups that they're doing at 100, their 1022s aren't even doing it. And then, of course, I'll throw it up against the 25 caliber Streamline. I don't think the Streamline is going to shoot as good as this, but the Streamline is an amazing gun. I'll put links to in the description below for that rifle too. I think it's still $9.99, but for a 25 caliber, if that's the caliber, 22, either one, I mean, it's the favorite gun in my safe so far. Like, this is a demo model from Airgun Depot. They sent it out to me for testing and had fun with it, and they want it back, but I don't want to give it back. I'm not going to want to give it back. I'm going to force them to sell it to me or give it to me or whatever they got to do so I can keep it. So, yeah, I love this. Is amazing. This is beautiful. And then I want to thank again Airgun Depot for sending this out to me so quickly. It's amazing of them. Justin is who I talked to. He's a super nice guy. He sent me all this cool stuff, this hat, a really nice shirt, a couple other t-shirts. Thank you much. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like the video. I mean, I'm going to get videos out. I'm going this weekend to shoot. I'm going to take the Streamline, the FX Crown, and then also I have the Seneca Double Shot, which is a 50 cal double barrel shotgun / air rifle that shoots slugs, round balls, and little bird shots called long shots. And that gun is fun too. Shot skeet with it. It's pretty accurate for, I mean, it's a very cool gun. If you want to watch the video, it's a real short video. And I just did it for fun, just right out of the blue. Just decided to, hey, let's video, see if we can shoot skeet with a dang air rifle. And you know what? You can. You can shoot it consistently. Once you learn when that thing's shooting, you can hit a clay at every time. And we'll have some fun with it. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, it's Texas Air Gunner. I'll see you later.